And then we are looking this Toyota Corolla's this fan speed, this fuse, or how we call that. And this is really interesting part what controls this fan speed. And there is this fan, cabin fan, and when we look in the little bit down area, in here, in that area, there is this specific switch or relay, and there are two Phillips head screws. And now I take my, and there is that kind of small screw. I took one of away, and then we need a little bit more light in here. Okay, and now we can see better, and there is really this fan relay or fuse. And now I take this connector away, and in that side we have there this second screw. This is very difficult position in this Phillips head screw, and now I rotate that. This is bad place, but soon this part opens, and this is really interesting part because this controls this fan speed, and if we have any speed missing, then the issue is this part in here. And look, there are those alloy plates and connectors in here, and there's also this part number in here. What we can see, this number is, now we can see that it's very small, this number in there. But this part really controls fan speed, low speed and high speed. And now it is removed in here.